you're thinking, using a hair conditioner? Simple, right? लेकिन अगर ऐसी बात है तो then why does your hair look greasy and feel flat and limp? Hi guys, मैं हूँ निया और आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ कुछ common conditioner mistakes to avoid. पर उससे पहले make sure you subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel और लगे हाथ बेल आइकन को भी रिंग कर दीजिए ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहो with our latest videos. सबसे पहली कंडीशनर मिस्टेक इज दैट वी ऑफन अप्लाई कंडीशनर ऑन द रूट्स. I know I have done this a couple of times in the past, so no judgments here, and here is why you need to avoid doing this. अब कंडीशनर हम दो रीजंस के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. एक है to nourish and दूसरा है to hydrate our hair. And since our root area is already getting nourished because of the oils produced from our scalp, we do not need to apply conditioner on the root area. In fact, if you apply the conditioner on the roots, then you will notice that your scalp will get oily and your hair will fall flat and limp. So let me show you the right way to apply conditioner. But before that, let me show you the conditioner that I've been loving these days. So this is a Tresemme Keratin Smooth Conditioner with argan oil. मैं बस आधे चम्मच जितना conditioner squeeze out कर रही हूँ and then I'm gonna start applying it from the mid lengths all the way till the ends, but not on the scalp. Just remember that if your hair is more prone to damage and dryness, especially on the ends, then you should apply a little more conditioner to the ends. Once you apply the conditioner, make sure that you run your hand through your hair so as to make sure that you've covered every strand of hair with the conditioner in order to reap maximum hydration. Also, now would be an ideal time to detangle your hair. I know what you're thinking. You're like, my hair is wet. How can I comb through my hair? It's gonna break. Well, that's not true if you apply conditioner first. Gently glide a white tooth comb along the lengths of your hair so as to ensure that the conditioner is spread evenly, and this will also help with the detangling process. Now I have dry hair, but this conditioner really helps nourish and moisturize my hair strands. At the same time, it makes it smoother, silkier and tangle free so that I don't spend a lot of time detangling it after it dries. Now I'm sure आपने सुना ही होगा that too much of anything is good for nothing, and that stands true for conditioners. But applying too little is also going to do no good for your hair. मैं हमेशा सोचती थी कि ज्यादा कंडीशनर लगाने से मेरे बाल ज्यादा सॉफ्ट और सिल्की बन जाएंगे, but in reality it does the opposite. क्योंकि ज्यादा कंडीशनर लगाने से it is going to weigh your hair down, and then not washing it properly is going to leave behind a lot of product buildup, which is going to make your hair greasy and flat. Applying too little, on the other hand, will mean that your hair will not get ample hydration or protection which the product promises. As a general rule of thumb, if you have short hair, then you need conditioner of the size of 1 cherry. If you have shoulder length hair, then you need conditioner of about 2 cherries. And if you have long hair like mine, then you will need the equivalent of 3 cherries. But this is only a guide. If you feel like your hair strands are not covered, then go ahead and use more conditioner as needed. I will use just about this much conditioner and I'll be good to go. I know we're all in a hurry and time is precious, लेकिन हमें एक बात का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि conditioners are meant to add moisture to our hair, which means that they need a little bit of time to work their magic. So अगर आप conditioner लगाते हो और उसके तुरंत बाद बालों को wash कर लेते हो, then you may not be reaping the full benefits of the conditioner. So aim to leave the conditioner on for at least a minute. However, for best results, I like to keep it on for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then of course, rinse it off with cold water only. Also, conditioner लगाने के बाद में don't use a shampoo to wash off the conditioner, huh? Another common mistake almost every woman has at least once made in her life is using shampoo and conditioner from different range. लेकिन सच बात तो ये है कि conditioners work best when they are paired with their coordinating shampoos. साथ ही आपको एक और चीज का ध्यान रखना चाहिए कि always use a product that suits your hair type and your hair texture. So for me, this combo really works well. This is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth with argan oil shampoo and conditioner combo. Its Moroccan argan oil formula basically is going to detangle your hair, it's going to lock in the moisture and keep your hair smoother and straighter for up to 3 days. So the next time that you buy a shampoo and conditioner, make sure that it is from the same range. I have noticed that every time that I use a conditioner after shampooing, I feel like my hair gets far more smoother and remains tangle free. So don't save that conditioner for a special occasion like a shadi. In fact, if you love your hair, shouldn't you be showing more love to your hair more often? Think about it. Also, while regular conditioners are going to soften your hair after shampooing, deep conditioning is going to take things several notches higher. Let me tell you why. So deep conditioning is basically going to protect your hair from split ends and hair breakage. Sath hi, deep conditioning is going to improve the texture of your hair and it is going to improve the elasticity of the hair strands. Also, this is super true for those that have dry, damaged, colored and heat treated hair that often need more tending to and care. इसीलिए मैं रेकमेंड करूंगी कि आप अपने बालों को पैम्पर करें विद डीप कंडीशनिंग ट्रीटमेंट्स। अगर आपके पास डीप कंडीशनिंग हेयर मास्क नहीं है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस कंडीशनर। दिस इज ट्रेसेमे's Keratin Smooth with Argan Oil Conditioner. However, my favorite deep conditioning hair mask is this one right here. This is TRESemmé Keratin Smooth Deep Smoothing Mask. So this hair mask contains really special ingredients like marula oil, which is super hydrating and moisturizing for the hair, and it is especially beneficial for dry, frizzy and brittle hair. इसे मैं अपने freshly washed hair पे लगाऊंगी starting from the middle all the way till the ends. Now you can also use your fingers or use a wide tooth comb to smoothen and detangle your hair out. Also, my hair tends to be really dry towards the end because this is the part of the hair that is super dry as compared to the rest of the hair, which is why on this particular part I tend to apply a little more conditioner to ensure that it's soft and smooth. अब conditioner लगाने के बाद में I'm going to follow it up with a warm towel therapy. So for this, all you need to do is dunk your towel into a big bowl of warm water, then squeeze out the towel, remove the excess water and then wrap your hair around the towel. So basically the heat from the towel is going to help the product reach deep into your hair follicles. I will leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, but I will ensure to refresh the towel in between to maintain the heat. Now I know it sounds really time consuming, but trust me, it is worth the wait. Finally, once I'm done, I'm going to rinse off my hair with cold water to ensure that all the moisture gets locked into my hair. I follow this treatment at least twice in a week to ensure that my hair stays moisturized and it looks glossy. लेकिन अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है, then at least you can try and do this once a week. So guys, उम्मीद है कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। क्या आप guilty है of committing any of these conditioner mistakes? If yes, then let me know which mistakes you're guilty of, because then I won't feel so lonely, yeah? Anyways, it's time for me to go, but मेरे जाने से पहले make sure करें कि आप Be Beautiful को like, share और सब्सक्राइब करें और लगे हाथ बेल आइकन को भी रिंग कर दीजिए ताकि आप हमेशा अपडेटेड रहो विद आवर लेटेस्ट वीडियोस। Until next time, bye guys.